Welcome back to SpiritLifter. I've been watching the European Championships the last few weeks, often with a beer in hand. When I realized there was an opportunity, I decided to raise the pint featured today in honor of one of the teams that was taking the field. Often overlooked even in the United Kingdom, Wales is home not just to a fascinating Celtic language, but a craft scene that goes toe-to-toe with other nations. One such project is Tiny Rebel, based in Newport in the country's southeast. This microbrewery began operations in 2012. Thankfully for me, during the last 9 years, they found ways to export in the international market. A spin on their flagship dark ale, the Puft Imperial Mint Chocolate Marshmallow Porter obviously has a lot going on. Let's break it down. This Imperial Porter earns the descriptor with its 9% alcohol by volume. As you might expect, there's more than barley in this can, with wheat malt, oats, lactose, peppermint, and even cocoa beans lending their essences to this brew. This Puft Imperial pours as dark as one expects, with an almost oily appearance as a foamy mocha head vanishes on top. The aroma is rich, with notes of chocolate and mint. The first thing that came to my mind were the popular Girl Scout cookies. Some sediment from the brew settles at the bottom of the glass, which isn't all too uncommon for brews that utilize additions such as cocoa. The taste is minty, even vaguely menthol-like. These two characteristics balance the heavy brew with a refreshing mouthfeel, but I wouldn't recommend trying to achieve good oral hygiene with it. Still, I would eagerly make this my go-to dessert beer. It would serve as an excellent aperitif. Thank you kindly for watching. Like I mentioned at the beginning, I tried this during the Denmark-Wales game. For what it's worth to the Welsh fans following the match, your Dragons will bounce back. And I promise to raise a glass to their good fortunes. To the next time your team takes the pitch, and... Iechyd da.